kia UDA nigo bono kegochia koirorera Obochori hase ntunde ya kabere chinsemo cha Mashinani ase CHIKAONTI komeno isano na isato gochakera Ankio hase kaunti ya KISII na Migori chiregatie CHIKAONTI echo kaokwana kurwa samaga chamane kiamekyo himeyo mocho Nairobi na barai ebe kiamekyo bakorogo no munyakero gobo Cecil Mbarire na boigo niganyara ko bakago kwandro kungusano ko gendreta konekiwa egati ye kiama kya ODM na keri kya UDA kubwatakana no muruberio oria ozoning murikito Linet Nyambana no warenga sayo robatiro asenjero bwekero
Orengana no munyakirogo bwe kiama kya UDA omusubati Cecil Mbarire nigatebire Obochori obwo Mashinani boguche Gokorekana abo Ankio nigo boguchia gochaka chinsa ibere chamambia weika chinsa 11 cha magoroba ase ebitu ao bye CHIKAONTI 15 na isato.
The election will take place in the following 18 counties: KISII, Siaya, Migori, Bungoma, Makueni, Kisumu, Machakos, Kitui, Isiolo, Marsabit, Taita Taveta, Lamu, Tana River, Kilifi, Kwale, Mombasa, and Turkana, while Kajiado County will conduct elections on Saturday the 25th of April 2026. Registration: over 450,000 candidates have registered to contest for various 20 positions at the polling centers, ranging from representatives of women, youth, special interest groups, farmers, religious representatives, professionals and MSMEs or traders.
Mbarire nigo atebire nigo baguchia gutumia emitambo yekerero ase aenekeiri ababwatani be kiama kya UDA buna tayari nigo emitambe yuyaikire ase chinsemo Obochori boguchia Gokorekana ase omurikyo monene bwe kiamekyo Hassan Omar nera tebire kiama kya UDA nigo kegendete koira emeri imeyense.
As with previous elections, we will deploy end-to-end technology to manage the process, with 9,500 electronic voting tablets already at each polling center as we speak, and the results will be available on a public portal on the UDA website www.uda.ke. The voting will commence at 8 a.m. and close at 5 p.m. In case there are any changes to that timelines, it will be on a case-by-case basis using the structures that are already deployed for the said exercise. The outcome of the exercises will be expected to produce 240 elected grassroots officials with a direct mandate from the people.
The party will have onboarded, and the repeats that will follow, the party will have onboarded 580,000 grassroots leaders across the country. The party continues to pursue its strategy of strengthening the parties in all parts of the country. It is part of the democratic processes of party building to build an institution. The institution then produces for us leaders. Leaders then will have the ideas and the wherewithal to ensure that they progress the party ideals and the party manifesto.
Arenayo abarayabo batebire ekiama kya UDA goika gechigutenenia omorwanereri ase kerogo kyobubunge ensemo ya Olkalau aseboigo bakwanire okungsana na kogendrete kwene kigwa egati ekiama kya UDA amona keri kya ODM asebatebire abarai nigo bagendete gokora chinkwana erikwene kya obokong'obu nkwerabore.
We had a meeting with the deputy party leader, His Excellency the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, and 10 candidates for the Olkalau seat. And we wish to report that already 10 candidates have shown interest to run for that seat on a UDA ticket. We had a meeting this morning and we have agreed about ensuring that there will be free and fair party nominations or party primaries at a date to be announced later. But we wish to report that the UDA party will be sponsoring a candidate for the MP for Kalau constituency in Nyandarua County. That there are discussions that will be taking place in due course to look at some of those issues. Of course, in any coalition, there's always pre-election agreements that must be reached out, and there is definitely agreement on how the partnership will go all the way to the general election. Now, that is a matter that has not yet been properly prosecuted before the party structures on both sides. And so in the coming days, you're going to see that this conversation is going to take shape and there'll be a lot of cross-party.
Kwa ripoti ya Nsoko TV, erietaria ne Linet Nyambane.